whole thing about multi-purpose tools, and people create so much their logical argument against Shopsmith is that it doesn't do anything well. That's
Right.
I mean, I think I've proven that's wrong to myself,
Yes.
at least. It does lots of things well, but they believe that if it does many things well, it can't do, or if it does many things, it can't do anything well. But if you look at all the people on YouTube who are turning their tools into multi-purpose tools with wooden jigs or wooden fixtures,
Yes.
I
Yes.
mean,
Izzy
you know,
Swan turning bowls in his table saw.
right. I mean, the multi-purpose mentality is there. They're already doing it. They're already putting drum sanders on their drill presses. They're already, they're already doing it. But yet when Shopsmith comes up, it does nothing well. It does nothing. It's terrible machine. And I feel sorry. What I feel sorry for is the young people who don't know any better.
Yes.
Who really could go to Craigslist and buy a $500 510 with all the attachments and remodel their house
but won't because they've been told it's junk. Yeah,
right.
No, I agree.
I mean, they could improve their life with this machine.
Yeah.
And they're going to miss that opportunity, and they're going to end up with some Harbor Freight junk because Dena Tools told them about the coupon. And I think it's just such a shame. And it really is, it's almost sad to me